Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, there's a trust deficit between the public and political parties and a strong belief that neither of them is serious about fighting corruption.
The findings were revealed in the latest RGR Gleaner Don Anderson poll, which has a margin of error of plus or minus 3%.
Andrea Chisholm has that story.
Jamaica has agencies committed to fighting corruption both in the public and private sectors. Some popular entities are the Major Organized Crime and Anti-Corruption Agency MOCA, Integrity Commission, Auditor General's Department, and the Financial Investigations Division. There are also civil society groups such as the Jamaica Accountability Meter Portal and the National Integrity Action. In 2024, Jamaica slipped 4 places on the Corruption Perception Index done by Transparency International, placing 73 out of 180 countries. In the 2023 ranking, Jamaica placed 69. Jamaica's score on the Corruption Perception Index is 44 out of 100, where 0 means highly corrupt and 100 means very clean. The Integrity Commission has indicated that a CPI score of below 50 means that a country has a serious corruption problem, and Jamaica has been in that category for 23 years. It also signals prevalent bribery, lack of punishment for corruption, and public institutions that do not respond to citizens' needs. From May 16 to June 7, the question was put to 1,033 registered voters across all parishes. Which party is committed to fighting corruption?
Totally spontaneous. Again, no promptings were given. The interviewer simply asked the question, recorded the response from the interviewee, and there was no difference.
That's because 25.3% of respondents said the JLP, 25.7% said the PNP, 23% were not sure, and 26% said none of the parties was more committed to fighting corruption. Pollster and head of Market Research Services Don Anderson gave an analysis.
Both of them have work to do in changing the perception of the people in terms of their commitment to fighting corruption.
So why did 25.3% of respondents say the JLP was more committed to fighting corruption? Top 4 answers. They see them trying, 36%. They have been consistent in addressing the issues, 32%. Their track record shows a reduction in corruption, 17%, and the JLP has introduced stronger anti-corruption policies, 11%. And why did 25.7% of respondents say the PNP was more committed to fighting corruption? Again, the top 4 answers. Their track record shows a reduction in corruption, 38%. They have been consistent in addressing the issues, 23%. People see them trying, 18%, and the PNP has introduced stronger anti-corruption policies, 17%. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.